Don't laugh, please.
Stop giving me a hard time.
By the 4th, you'll be good.
Yeah, hey, we're just shooting today. What's going on YouTube? This is Mark Pizzey from MPMEDIA here with my homie Zayla.
Hi.
She is an amazing model that does numerous different styles, but the cool thing about her is she doesn't get stuck to one kind of bad habit. She is open-minded and likes doing different kind of techniques and learning a lot of new stuff. And today we're going to use 2 lights on Zayla today. If you saw my previous video where I did only 1 light, this session we're going to be doing 2 lights, and I'll do different kind of positions. You can see the dynamic of a 2-light setup. So we're going to do a couple different outfits with Zayla today, but you'll see the dynamic of the 2 lights and the color contrast of each different setup. There's going to be a red outfit and a black outfit. So stay tuned, and you'll like some good shots. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Hold that right there. Cool. And key light. And hold that. Very cool. Right, now we can do different poses right now. Pop it. Good. Right there. Kind of mess up your hair a little bit more. Great. Chest up. Good. There you go. Beautiful. Good. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Good. Good. Yep. Now, pop it backward. Yes. Yep. Yep. There we go. Good. Palm of hand. Look that way a little bit. Good. Chin towards me a little bit more. Good. Look towards the distance. Good. Nice. Good. Now, palm of hand. You're going to turn your chin that way. Yes. There we go. Great. Good. Good. Awesome. These colors are popping, Zayla. Nice job. Boom. Love it. Right there. Good. Beautiful. Pop that hip out a little bit more towards me. Yep. There we go. Use it to your advantage. Okay, now we're going to do switch legs. If you can a little bit. So I'm getting, yeah, and then pop the hip out. Yep. There we go. If you twist towards me a little bit. Nope. Oh, towards me. Nope. Nope. Yep. There you go. Lower torso. Good. And you twist your upper torso towards that light. There we go. Good. Beautiful. Good. Cool. There we go, there we go. Good. Love it. Hold it. Rest. Great. Hold that. Great. And now go. Go. Great. Now we can rock and roll. Cool. Get some poses. There we go. Love that. Good. Pop it. Nice. Good. Good. Great shot. Love that. Good. Good. Go like hands on your chin. There you go. Beautiful. Love that. Love that. Love that. Let's separate your legs a little bit more so it gives you like the illusion looks different. There we go. Yep. There we go. Good. 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 Palm my hand, just look that way, that same pose. Good. Switch elbows, like this elbow up. Yep, there we go. And then bring that elbow in. Nope, we're gonna put that down. Yep, yeah, just like that. Yep. And bring your left hand down to your strap. Good. Good. Love that, love that, love that. Nice. Great job. One more, and we're going to take a break. Nice job. Love that, love that. Yep. Fantastic. Oh, yeah. Great shot. Now, same pose. Head just turn. Yep. There we go. Big twist. Chest up. Great. Great. There you go, girl. Love that, love that. Boom. Fantastic. Hold that, hold that, hold that. Hands on your chin like this. Just like, yep. Love that. Eyes closed now. All right, mouth open a little bit. More. There we go. Eyes closed. Good. Woo! Yeah. Love that, right there. Great. Good. Hold it. Good. 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 Bunch that hair up and bunch it over. Head up. Yes, right there. Okay. There we go. Yep. There we go. Good. Chin down a tad towards that right shoulder. There we go. Good. Yeah. Straight on. We're going to look straight on at me. Good. Yep. Good. Good. Different dynamic shots right here. Good. Love it. Good. Good. Love it, Zayla. Awesome. Beautiful. You slayed this. Okay, that. I think you slayed it, dude. I think you slayed it. Want to see some of these shots? Come over here. So today you saw we did a 2-light setup in 4 different positions. We did on the white backdrop, we did 2 different lighting positions, and against the wall we did 2 different lighting positions. All of them different. You'll see different dramatic shots, a lot of good shadows, a lot of edging, cool lighting effects. These 2-light setups are great for people that can only afford 2 lights and don't want to carry a lot of baggage around. Carrying 5, 6 lights like I like to do, pain in the neck, because I have shoulder problems. Now Zayla, if you have any modeling tips for up-and-coming models, whether it's makeup or like posing or what kind of photographer to pick, what kind of tips would you give today?
The few tips that I would give is always feel comfortable with your photographer, always have fun, and just remember, just go with the flow. If you think about it too much, it's going to come out in your face.
Now, have you had a lot of creepers as photographers?
I've had a few. Some my husband would like to strangle, but that's okay for another take.
You don't want to mess with that guy.
But I mean, always go with people who who have shot with people before. It kind of weeds out those weirdos, and always just, if you feel uncomfortable with anything, bring a friend too.
Big tip there. Avoid the creepers, but also do your research on who you're shooting. In this industry, you get a lot of guys that just want to take shots of girls. That's it. But a lot of us like to take it professionally, respectfully. Hope you guys learned something today. And stay tuned for upcoming future videos with like 3 lights, 4 lights, no direct light. I'm going to be shooting a lot of video content. If you like what you saw today, please like, subscribe, and comment below. I'd like to hear feedback. And have a good day, guys. Later.